In a small village of Maharashtra, Ramesh lived with his wife Seema and daughter Munni. Every morning, he put his cart near the chopal. On it was written, "Special sandwich, just 10 rupees."
Hey brother, hot aloo tikki sandwich for you. Only 10 rupees. You won't get this taste anywhere in Maharashtra. Wow Ramesh, every day my day starts with your special sandwich.
By afternoon, Munni returned from college and came straight to her father. Papa, today I scored the highest marks in maths in the whole class.
Wow my princess, soon you'll become smarter than your papa.
Stop this, G. Topping in school won't remove poverty. Think of her future also.
I work hard every day, Seema. One day everything will be fine.
Yes, Ma. My papa makes the world's best sandwich. Seema walks away angrily.
Dear, you know, every sandwich has two sides. One is the taste outside, second is the truth inside.
Meaning?
It means every shiny thing is not gold. Just because something looks good doesn't mean it is good. Like every coin has two sides. Every person has two faces too. One to show, one they hide.
But Papa, I still don't understand.
You will with time. There is no teacher bigger than time. Just remember my words, dear.
Next day, Seema's neighbor Tina brings a man named Mukesh who promised work in a TV serial.
Madam ji, your daughter looks like a heroine. She should try acting.
Really? But she goes to college.
Her exams are over, right? Only 1 month work. Then back to college.
But
Here is a 2000 rupees advance, and if she gets selected, 20,000 every month.
Arey Seema auntie, I'm also going with her. What's the problem? Okay, but I'll ask my husband first.
Oh yes, of course. But please tell me by tomorrow.
That night, Ramesh and Seema argue. Your 10 rupee sandwich will never change our life. Munni deserves this chance.
Not a chance, Seema. It's a trap. God knows where they take innocent girls. What they do with them.
Enough. This time, I will decide. I cannot suffer poverty anymore. My daughter will be a big star one day.
My heart says something is wrong.
For you, only those 10 rupee sandwiches are right. Seema agrees with that TV agent. During summer vacation, Mukesh comes to take Munni.
Daughter, take this small phone. Always keep it with you. Switch it on when needed. And call me every night at 9.
Yes, Papa, but why are you crying?
I'm crying in happiness.
That day, Munni didn't go alone. There were 3 other kids along. Tina, Goody and Sameer. Mukesh took all of them into a bus. In the bus, Tina sat beside Mukesh. Where is he taking us? Tina Didi said for shooting. But the road looks too long. Quiet everyone, don't ask too many questions.
I'm feeling scared.
Don't worry, we will reach safely. Tina Didi is with us. The bus stops in front of an under construction building. Mukesh, taking them inside, laughs and says,
Here is your new home for some days. Relax. Shooting starts tomorrow morning.
Tina takes them into a dark room where already many boys and girls were sitting. You all rest here. Tina Didi, you please stay with us. No, I have some work, so I'll come later. Evening passes. At night, children get only dal chawal. And during night, Papa told me to call at 9. I must switch on the phone. At 9 p.m., Ramesh walks restlessly in his small hut.
Why hasn't she called yet?
Maybe no network there. Please rest.
You snatched my daughter, Seema. If anything happens...
Nothing will happen. Please don't worry. That very moment, Munni calls.
Hello, Munni. Are you fine?
Papa, it's very dark. Everyone is scared. This doesn't feel like a shooting place.
What? Who is with you?
Goody, Sameer and many more kids. At least 20 of us. Papa, the door is locked from outside. Tina Didi has gone away.
Daughter, tomorrow morning take a photo outside from window and send me.
Next day, Ramesh doesn't open his cart. He waits for Munni's message. Soon, she sends a photo of the place. It looks like a lonely, deserted place. Ramesh rushes to police station.
Your daughter went for acting, right? What is the complaint? Sir, this is the photo. 20 kids locked inside with netted windows. Please trace their location. Please, sir, you are the only hope. We must trace it. This seems strange. Sir, it's about my daughter's life. Please hurry up.
Mukesh shouts at the kids.
You all make too much noise.
Uncle, when will our shooting start?
Listen carefully. There is no shooting. Stay quiet or I'll keep you hungry. I doubt this. No camera, no staff. Something is wrong here.
Papa once said, every sandwich has two sides. Outside taste, inside truth. Now I have to act on my own. Munni secretly listens to Tina and Mukesh talking. They were planning to sell the children abroad. 3 more men were with them. Suddenly, Tina spots Munni's hidden phone. She snatches it from her and pushes Munni to the floor. Munni cries bitterly. Next morning, only one way is left. I must send a signal to Papa. How?
So they cheated us. Even Tina Didi betrayed us. I'm so worried.
That night, Ramesh is sitting near his cart.
I know Munni's location. That phone was being tracked. But police is doing nothing.
What will you do?
What every father must do. I will save my daughter. I'll go there with sandwich as my excuse.
Ramesh arranges a tray of sandwiches.
Sir, I will take these sandwiches inside that building. You send your team behind me. It's risky, Ramesh, but you have the only entry. Fine, we'll be ready.
Outside the den, Ramesh arrives with his cart. He knocks on the door.
Who is there? Bhai, do you need sandwich? Passing this way, thought to share my 10 rupees special sandwich with you also. I make special one in 10 rupees only. Hey, send them in. We'll feed the kids too.
Ramesh distributes sandwiches among children. Papa,
Shh, take the sandwiches and slowly move towards the door.
is someone outside?
Yes, start going out.
At the backside, Inspector Kulkarni on his walkie-talkie.
The moment Ramesh signals, storm inside. Not a single child should be harmed. 2 teams from front, 1 from rear. Every kid must come out alive. Over and out. Hey brother, one last sandwich with special chutney. Eat it yourself.
That's Munni's father.
What? Sir, it's the time. This building is surrounded. Escape is impossible. Come out quietly.
The whole gang tries to run, but police block them everywhere. The kids rush, crying towards Ramesh. Uncle, please take us home.
You were selling children? Straight to jail now.
Where is Papa?
Munni, my daughter.
Papa, you are a real hero.
No, beta. You are the true hero. You never lost courage. Never seen a sandwich seller become an undercover agent. Sir, when it comes to daughter, any father is ready to risk his life.
Next day, newspaper headlines read, 10 rupee sandwich seller saves 20 innocent children. Full human trafficking gang caught. On TV, reporters crowd the village.
We are reporting live from Ground Zero, where Ramesh, the sandwich seller, shocked everyone by saving 20 kids. His 10 rupee sandwich made him a national hero. India is amazed to know daughter's courage exposed an entire network that sold children in the name of films.
Rameshji, you brought my child back alive. How can we ever thank you?
Only promise me, next time don't risk children's future for greed.
We never will. From a distance, Seema weeps in guilt. Neighbors gather at Ramesh's hut.
Ramesh brother, you are our role model now. The man people called poor turned out richest by heart. I did nothing special. I just refused to lose my daughter.
Forgive me, beta. In greed, I pushed you to the danger. Ma, you made a mistake, but you also learned. And Papa brought us back together.
I want that from now on, let this house have love only, not regrets.
Whole village praises Munni's courage.
Weren't you get scared?
Of course I was. But Papa taught me, never fear when you're doing right.
Now your name is all over the news.
Not name, work gives real respect. When the local government heard this story, They awarded Ramesh with 1 lakh rupees cash and a small shop. In that new shop, Ramesh proudly makes sandwiches, but still on his board it says special sandwich 10 rupees.
What message would you like to give from your experience? Big chance doesn't always come from leaders. It comes when people like you and me take just one step ahead.